But let's check in with everyone's favorite meme coin now. And if it's not your favorite meme coin, it should be, because most talked about, it's our PEPE Coin. Yeah, this is where I expected it to pop into. I thought it would reclaim all of this. Vector Candle Zone took half. You know, I still thinking take another stab down, but that's yet to be seen. Yeah, this was at the New York Market Open. US Brinks stab down. I mean, it already started its downward trajectory, but here's where they took it to the low. Yeah, it could be recovering. We'll see how it does once it gets into the EMA cloud here, the 50 EMA cloud. See how it starts closing candles. See what the 2 looks like. Got above pretty quick. Yeah, this is what you want to see right there. Bang, right in through. Held once it gets up in here, because this is going to be the first stab at it. And unfortunately, usually the first stab up here at the 50 gets rejected. So on these big moves, usually, not every time, but so now here's our first attempt getting back into the EMA cloud after a big move. And unfortunately, it could chop sideways for a while now. And that'd be consistent with what time we got. Yeah, maybe go for the 2 martini lunch, you know. I still think it could stab into this region here. This purple box I got here. But I mean, the play is, you know, we want to see this get into the EMA cloud, cross up, retrace. Then we look for our getting, you know, if we're going to buy or not, right? Because basically, here we go again, guys. We're over here. We're below the 200, below the 50, below the 800. Price is tugging down. It just did this here. It just so we're clear, it just made that cross, right? So we could be looking at basically this area for the move, meaning to pull this 200 down further to get it aligned, you may either have another stab down hard to tug it, or it's going to track sideways a little longer, you know, just chug down a little bit. So I believe we're only, you know, somewhere around here in this move. Oh, here. So it could be this stab. I mean, it builds a little different, right? So you could incorporate both of these into this move, but I still believe you get a stab low, wick, you know, with a decent sized wick. I mean, forget this one. This is absolute treachery. But even here, when it came down off of this high, it likes to put in a decent sized wick before she reverses. Just not seeing it yet. So I think price will come up into here again. You know, the usual. I mean, it's just over and over and over again. I mean, it's likely, if I say this is something like this, yeah, that, I mean, seems perfectly reasonable. It's just what they've been doing. Well, but to be honest, this trajectory here happened over, this is the 4th of July. This is the 3rd of July right here. So it was a thin market. When the market wasn't thin, you got this, okay? So you got much more participation. Way bigger move. 97% move as opposed to 26%. So that's the difference between a thin market and a fully liquid market, all sessions firing off. So still a good move. It was faster. This maybe not. The point is, from where we are, I would wait. I mean, it looks good. Looks like it wants to run and everything, but you're so much better off just waiting, letting it come into here, prove itself by the retrace, let it hold, because if it doesn't hold, I mean, you're still dealing with this down here, this potentially.